welcome to this beginner keyboard lesson on O Waly Waly. This beautiful tune is very flexible, can be used in different lyrics. In church setting, it's often associated with the lyrics, "An upper room did our Lord prepare." So we'll learn the melody first. In my next video, we will add the bass line and gradually we'll add the chords. And in the end, we will also add the pedal boards if you play it on the organ. So the first line goes like this: 5, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5. In my notation, if you see a 5 with a dot below, means the 5 an octave below 1, as opposed to a dot on the top of the note, that means an octave higher. For most singings, you will not have any range above 3 octaves anyway. So we'll do it again. 5, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5. Okay, that's first line. The second line, note, I want to shift my hand up, so I need to have a turn. Use my thumb for 1, so I can continue to play 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, I do it again. And my hand is still in this position and I will keep it here for my next line. It might be a good idea to put your ring finger on the top of the black note, because as you can see, the 4 is on the black note because it's in F major. And now you can move your hand back during the break. You can have a quick breeze over here. Okay, so I'm going to put it together. 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 5, 1, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 5, 6, 7. So you can see, the number from 1 to 7 basically is the note 1 to 7 on the scale. Yeah. This system also allows you to transpose very quickly. So if I want to play that in C major, make it easier, I just need to move 1 to C, and it still will work. I will do. But as you can see, if I play this in C major, it's not ideal because this note is too low for most people to sing. Therefore, it's ideally to play either in F or G. It's easier to sing, isn't it? Etc. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to add a bass line. So etc. Please follow my channel for the next one.